Crochet 101, learning basic stitches.
Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.
Welcome back to A Piece of Leek Incorporated. And in today's video, you're learning 4 new stitches, starting with single crochet. You want to begin by making a slip knot. And once you have your slip knot, you'll go ahead and chain 10 stitches. If you're not sure how to make a slip knot, please be sure to check my page for a tutorial on how to do so. After you've made 10 stitches, go ahead and chain 1 more, which will now make 11, and then you'll go directly into the next loop. Insert your hook, yarn over by pulling that yarn right on through. You have 2 loops, you want to yarn over again and pull through both. Insert again, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and continue doing this until you get to the very last stitch of the row. You can count these stitches once we're finished, which I'll show you a top view where you just count the V's and you know that you have completed making 10 single crochets. Here I'm inserting my very last stitch. Can be a little bit hard, but now I'm showing you, I'm counting all 10 of my single crochet stitches. To start a new row like before, you'll chain 1 and then turn your work the opposite way, inserting your hook right back into exactly under that first stitch where you see me going in here, and then continue making 10 more single crochets back down the row. Alright friends, and now you have made 2 rows of 10 single crochets, so kudos to you. The second stitch we'll work with is half double crochet. You want to go ahead and chain 1 and turn your work. The difference in this stitch is you'll yarn over first before inserting into the next stitch. Yarn over, you'll have 3 loops, yarn over again and pull through all 3 of those loops. I'll do this one more time where I show you slowly where I yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. And now, continue this all the way down the row. Once you have finished your last half double crochet, go back and count and make sure you have 10. And then we're just going to continue making another row. So just chain up 1 and turn your work. And now continue making 10 more half double crochets back down this row. Congratulations friend, you've now finished 2 rows of half double crochets. Be sure to count your stitches and make sure you ended with 10. And as we progress, you will start to see the difference in the height of these stitches and just how you can kind of tell them apart by eye. Alright, and now we're moving on to double crochets. So for this stitch, when you turn your work, instead of chaining 1, you're going to start by chaining 2. And this equals the height of a double crochet stitch. Turn your work, and then now you're going to yarn over, kind of like we did with the half double crochet. Insert your hook, and you're going to yarn over again, but this time you're going to pull through only 2 loops. You should have 2 still on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through the next 2, and this is how you make a double crochet. Continue this pattern, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that is how you make a double crochet. Continue this same process all the way down the rest of this row, and I'll see you once you have 10 double crochets. Once you finish your first row of double crochets, go ahead and count to ensure that you have 10 stitches, okay? You want to get into the habit to make sure that you are counting what you're doing so you know that your work is consistent. To start a new row, remember to chain 2, yarn over first, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is just a pattern to remember when doing double crochets. I'm going to finish off this final row of double crochet, and then we'll move on to our last and final stitch. Congratulations, you have now learned how to make double crochets. We're going to move on to our last and final stitch, which are treble crochets. The height of a treble crochet calls for chain 3. So chain 3 and turn your work like we've done before. The main difference you want to remember here is for a treble crochet, you're going to first yarn over twice. So you should start with about 3 loops on your hook. You're going to insert into that next stitch, or where we're starting at, right under where we're starting, that starting point. Yarn over, pull through. You're going to have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the next 2 on the hook, and then finally yarn over and pull through the last 2 on the hook, and you have successfully created a treble crochet. It might take some practice, but continue to do this for 2 rows. So once more, I'm going to yarn over twice. I'm going to insert into the space, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 times, and create a treble crochet. And after you insert your last stitch, you can see that we have now our first row of treble crochets. We're going to go ahead and start a new row by again chaining up 3 stitches to start. Turn your work and do the same thing back down those 10 stitches. And that concludes our 2 rows of treble crochets, guys. Once you're finished, you just want to pull up that loop, that last final loop, and cut your work. That way you can go ahead and pull the yarn through, as you'll see me do here, and that will just ensure that your stitches will not come out. But you can see here we've done single crochets, half doubles, doubles, and now treble crochets. So you've learned 4 new stitches that you can incorporate into your projects. That concludes today's video, you guys. So thank you so much for your time and for watching. I do hope that you take the time to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we'll be using the stitches that we've learned here to start doing some fun and whimsy projects. So I look forward to seeing you there. Until next time, friends. Bye-bye.